Introduction of Biology chapter reproduction, which play a key role in our biology part. So let's get started. A difficult chapter of 10th examination, because it's all know high time for 10th examination. So let's get started quickly our reproduction chapter, in which we cover two main topic which is very difficult to understand by 10th class student. In this, those two topics are sexual reproduction in flowering plants and double fertilization. Firstly, we are studying reproduction chapter. So what is reproduction actually? Reproduction is a process in which an individual is produced by mature individual or by a parent. So this process is done by plants also and animals also. So let's get started in plants. Firstly, double fertilization you all know, and fertilization is a unique feature of angiospermic plant. So double fertilization only occur in angiosperm. It will not occur in gymnosperm, not occur in pteridophytes, bryophytes and thallophytes. It only occur in angiospermic plant. So sexual reproduction in flowering plants. It includes two main parts, which is a non-reproductive part and reproductive part. Reproductive parts are stamen and pistil, and non-reproductive are petal and sepal. So let's get started. Stamen, which includes anther and filament, and it is a male reproductive part, and pistil, which is a female reproductive part. It includes stigma, style and ovary, in which ovary is present in the bottom and is a swollen part, and elongated part is style, which is above the ovary, and at the terminal position there is a stigma. This all are arrangement in a sac-like part in a flower. So in flower this all occur, stigma and pistil, so that pollination tube can be generated and there will be a fertilization between them, so that a zygote can be produced, which will help in generation wise variation and forming new individuals and including the variation process. So how this process occurs and what is pollination actually? Pollination is a process in which two steps are involved, which is self-pollination and cross-pollination. In self-pollination, there is a transfer of stigma and stamen to the same part of flower. But in cross-pollination, as its name suggests, cross, so it will be transfer between different plants. So let's get started our main part, which is double fertilization. You all know what is fertilization. Fertilization is process of fusion of male and female gametes. So in this fertilization process, I already mentioned it is a unique feature of angiospermic plant. In double fertilization, as name suggests, so two fertilization will be processing. First step fertilization will be syngamy, which is also known as generative part, and second step part is triple fusion, which is also known as vegetative. So in syngamy part, there is a fusion between first male gamete, which having a ploidy, and it crosses with egg cell, which having a ploidy, and to form zygote. You all know n plus n equals to 2n by simple mathematical rule. So first male gamete fuses with egg cell to form a zygote, which having a ploidy 2n. So in triple fusion, as the name suggests, triple, so there will be a formation of 3n. In this process, two male gamete, which is having a ploidy, and will fuses with secondary nuclei, which is having a ploidy 2n. So n plus 3n, by simple mathematical rule, 3n, n plus n equals to 3n, n. So it will be having formation of 3n. So simply we can say that two male gamete fuses with secondary nuclei to form PEN, which full form is primary endospermic nuclei, which give nourishment, nutrition to zygote, so that development and processing of zygote can be possible. There will be a growth of zygote. So a new individual is produced by giving nourishment, nutrition, providing all the healthy parts, so that it will form and it will further grow up. So as reproduction chapter, there is a two-step process which include sexual reproduction, and asexual reproduction is also there in reproduction. In sexual reproduction, we normally talks about two parental system, means biparental, male and female both are included. In asexual part, there is only one parental system. In sexual reproduction, meiosis is involved, but in asexual reproduction, it is a simple step process. So no formation of meiosis. It will be simply occurring between. It will simply occur by budding, fragmentation, regeneration, etc. So it will occur in asexual reproduction will occur in planaria, hydra, etc. in which budding, etc. is playing key role, so that formation of new individual of same it is similar to their parental individual, क्योंकि it is a asexual reproduction, so it will be similar to its parents, because there will be no variation, because you all know meiosis is a process by which variation is created. As in asexual reproduction, variation is not involved because meiosis is not there, so it will be similar to parental individual. So it will be a simple step process in and in sexual reproduction, I already mentioned it how occur in flowering plant, and it how occur by double fertilization, so that there will be a formation of zygote, and how it getted nutrition and nourishment, so that its growth and development will be further developed and form a new individual. And this reproduction process is further carries to generation by generation, so that our species get maintained and there will be a less chance of extension of species. So I hope you can understand by my video the major key part of this reproduction chapter, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plant and double fertilization. So thank you friends, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.